gentlemen, welcome to Medford. It is just about 9:10. We're in the Pacific time zone. We are 1 hour earlier than Denver. We have just a few more minutes to taxi. Please stay in your seats, buckled up, with your bags stowed until we're parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Once that seatbelt sign is no longer illuminated, it will be safe for you to gather your belongings and proceed off the aircraft. And always use caution when opening those overhead bins. Quite often contents shift during flight. Thank you so much for choosing to fly with us in the friendly skies this evening. We certainly do appreciate your business, and we hope to unite you with your final destinations again sometime soon. Once again, we welcome you to Medford. We bid you a fond farewell and wish you safe journeys.